Quick guide, find your Sony headphones model name and serial number. How can I find my headphones model name and serial number? The 7-digit serial number and model name can usually be found on the original packaging of your product. For headband headphones like WH-1000XM3, XM4, XM5, and other similar models, the 7-digit serial number and model name can be found in any of the following locations: on the headband and swivel, or under the earpads. For gaming headsets like the InZone H7 and H9, the 7-digit serial number and model name can be found on the headband. For the truly wireless headphones, the model name and 7-digit serial number are located either on the bottom or inside or behind the charging case. Some models, such as Link Buds and Link Buds S, also have their model names located on the earpiece itself. Some of our products have model names that start with YY followed by 4 digits. These models have dual model names. To easily find support information or register your product, please use the model name that begins with WF or WH. If you are unable to find model name that begin with WF or WH, use the model code that begins with YY to find the model name that begins with WF or WH in this chart above. If you have other types of headphones or require further assistance, please visit our Sony support website. To receive firmware update notification and access to your product information easily, check out our Support by Sony app. Thank you for watching.